Baller Man. Guys, we're off to our job right now. We're about to relocate 2 condensers. They're existing right now on the property, and they're actually building a new yard, a new patio, and putting some pavers down. So they want us to move the condensers and put them to the side of the house. So this is what it is. Right now we're at Ace Welding here in Freeport, New York, picking up some nitrogen, acetylene to get the job done. And this is what it takes, guys. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see you at the job. Woo-wee! So he called us, he said, Louis, I need you to move these condensers here. I'm just putting them to the side so you guys can visualize it. We're gonna put one here, side by side, about the same distance from the wall. Make sure that it's out of the way from the patio, and also enough space that people could drive, because it's still a driveway, it's an active driveway. So that's exactly what we're doing. Part of what we're doing also is we have to move all the refrigerant. We have to re-extend the lines. The lines that have extended figures about like 15 feet on each system. So we're extending the copper piping. We're extending the electrical power. We also relocating the disconnect switches. So we also want to make things look nice and neat and nice and clean. So you guys are going to see the process, and you guys are going to see the before and after pics, and you tell me what you guys think. Listen, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell button, subscribe below, and leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. And with that being said, Louis the Baller Man, Hvac. So since we're moving the condenser, we also got to move the disconnect switch. So safety is always first. We have to shut off the power from the disconnect switch, and we also got to shut off the power from the actual electric panel. I just reassured myself there's no power. So right now, there's no power, as you guys can see. We have nothing to worry about. We don't want to get electrocuted. So now it's safe to start working. All right, guys, we're disconnecting the panel. Because right now, I need access to these access ports. So right now, this is the high side and the low side. So we have to connect to these 2 access ports in order to move the refrigerant. This is basically what we call core remover or Schrader valve remover. And all it's doing is removing the actual Schrader valve that's inside the valve itself. Once we remove that, there's a full port. So once the full port, we can actually put a vacuum pump here. We could put an actual gauge here to remove the refrigerant. So the reason for that, because the Schrader valve acts as a restriction. So that's what we want. We want a full port. So now that I'm removing the refrigerant, guess what? It's gonna take me a lot less time to move the refrigerant. And also when we put it into a vacuum, it's gonna take a lot less time. Of course, when you're doing a vacuum, the hose should be fatter. The fatter the hose, the bigger the hose, the faster the vacuum. And of course, you wanna make sure it's under 500 microns or less. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell button, subscribe below, and leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. Man, what a long day. So right now we put the system into a vacuum, and now we're charging her up. So right now I'm just checking, making sure that the pressures are where they're supposed to be at. I mean, this unit takes about 11 pounds, 4 ounces. I don't put just 11 pounds, I back it up maybe about 10 pounds, and I slowly, gradually start putting gas into the system. Listen, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell button, subscribe below, and leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. And with that being said, Louis the Baller Man, Hvac.